Hello, hello guys, welcome to DCC Meeta. Myself Prashan Kumar, and today we'll solve LeetCode weekly contest 336, question number 2, which is rearrange array to maximize prefix score. Question states that you are given zero index integer array nums. You can rearrange the element of nums to any order. Let prefix be the array containing prefix sums of nums after rearranging it. In other words, prefix I is the sum of the elements from 0 to I in nums after rearranging it. The score of nums is the number of positive integers in the array prefix. Return the maximum score you can. So basically we have to arrange our array such that the prefix sum for that array is in which the number of positive integer is maximum. So firstly we move to the what is prefix sum array for an array. So prefix sum array is another array of same size. For example, if we have an array of length 5, 5, 1, 7, 3, 2. If indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, n is equal to 2. N is equal to 5. And the prefix sum array corresponding to this array is, for example, if we have to find the prefix sum array at ith at 2 index, so we have to sum all the previous from 0 to I, means 0 to 2, that is 0 array of 0, array of 1, array of 2, all elements from array of 0 to array of 2, which is 5 plus 1 plus 7, 6, 13. And for ps3 at index 3 we have to sum of from 0 to 3 all the elements from 0 to 3 in array 0 1 plus array 2 plus array 3, means 5 plus 1 plus 7 plus 3, which is 16. 16 means 12, 2 is 13 and 3 is 16. So basically we are repeating the calculation which is from here and from this. So we can also calculate ps3 like ps2 plus array of 3, which is 13 plus 3, 16, means p for any general psi for ith index, we do psi minus 1 plus array of I. So for and also for ps0 we put the same of 0th at 0th element because there is no element before it. So ps0 is 5 and ps1 for ps1 it is ps0 plus array of 1, it is 6, and already we have find 2 and 3. So ps4 is equal to ps3 plus ps4, and no, sorry, ps4 array of at index 4, which is 16 plus 2, 18, 80. So we learned how to find prefix sum for an array. So now let's move to the main question, which is so now let's move to the same main question, the the nums this. So we do this that firstly sort the array. So because sort the nums array in descending order descending order because all the positive integers come at the start index. So first we after sorting the array look like 3 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -3, -3. We sort this in descending order because if we find the prefix sum array for this array, prefix sum uh, array for this array, so all the positive summation comes first, such that for 3, 5, 6, it is 0, 6, 6. Then we have subtract the -1 in previous prefix sum. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 3, -1. So for finding the maximum, positive integer in prefix sum array, we have to sort the our nums array in descending order. Now let's, so the intuition is, so now intuition is same. Firstly sort nums in descending and find prefix sum array, and at last we count all positive integer in prefix sum. So now let's move to the code part, which is, firstly we have to sort the array in descending order. Vector part, we form a vector prefix for storing the sum prefix of size nums dot size of size num equal to 0. The initiate prefix at 0th element is equal to nums at 0, and int for count positive integer we set a count variable, that is count is equal to 0, and for 0th index we run loop if prefix at 0 is greater than 0. If it is positive, then we increase our count by 1. And now let's move to 4 loop int I is equal to 1. We have calculated already for 0, so now we will find for 1 to I less than nums dot size of the nums array. Firstly prefix I is equal to 1 plus num I. Now we are check for the count positive, that prefix I is greater than or not equal to, so our increase our count variable by 1, and we return our return count. So etc. Okay guys, thank you.